School and head of Pratma, Ma'am Shraddha Bhatnagar. Everyone give a round of applause for our principal sir, ma'am and respected chief guests. We welcome you all to the annual sports meet.
Your presence truly adds pride and inspiration to our sports youth.
The light of discipline, unity, guests, principal sir, Shraddha ma'am, seats and join us for the Deep Prajwalan.
To come forward and introduce our guest for the day.
Namaste everyone. It's my honor to introduce cricket team. With 19 years of experience in corporate, before founding her own venture, Max Nayan Advisory Private Limited, where she has been guiding the youth of India in academic, sports and culture. In the past 10 years, she has counseled and mentored more than 7,000 students across India and overseas, from kindergarten to postgraduate levels, and even working professionals. Her achievements go far beyond sports. With over 30 years of experience in music, she has trained 1,700 plus music enthusiasts worldwide, represented India in the International Folk Dance Festival in Czech Republic, and is also a Guinness World Record prime singer. She is associated with several prestigious organizations, including the Rotary Club, where she has served in many leadership roles: charter secretary, incredible president, and co-chair of breast and cervical detection district team. She is also a certified parent coach, practicing graphologist, certified mentor at Singapore Polytechnic, and a sports academic mentor and counselor. Recently, she has served as a selector for the Asia Cup 2024 indoor cricket tournament in Sri Lanka. A true example of dedication, talent, and service. She continues to inspire thousands through her work in education, sports, music, and community leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in warmly welcoming our esteemed guest, Rotarian Vishali Bhede Bharve.
And now, with the warm traditional completed, it is now time to honor our esteemed chief guest with a gesture of respect and gratitude.
May we now request our beloved Principal Sir and dear Shraddha Ma'am to felicitate our chief guest with a token of our respect and appreciation.
Hands and give a round of applause for our esteemed chief guest. Everyone make some noise and put your hands up together.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank Ram Ratan International School and Ram Ratan Pratibha for inviting me here for this August gathering and the annual sports meet. So thank you so much, everyone. And it's a great pleasure to be amongst the future of India. So it's a wonderful moment when we see kids around, because when I was a kid, I started playing cricket at the age of 13 years. So these kids are still very young, and they are the youth of India, they are the future of India. And I would just like to address a couple of things here. Number one is sports is something that we should be imbibing in our kids 365 days, and not just only during the annual sports meet, right sir? So the first major concern of parents today is the virtual screen addictions that the kids are being prone to. So sports is the only option where you can make it more attractive than the you give them if you give them something more attractive, they will definitely get away from the mobiles or the screens. Number two is now in today's, we see a lot of these issues and concerns that I'm sure the school is with a wonderful infrastructure, having such a large grounds and wonderful parents like you and the management like sir and ma'am, that your kids are given the best of trainings in all matters. But there are a lot of youth, lot of kids today who are facing these concerns, or parents are facing these concerns with regards to immunity, obesity, falling sick and the virtual screens. So the solution to this is of course sports, bringing them onto the ground, not just making them be at a competitive level. I'm sure the school must be having a competitive level of distinguished kids also. So the mission that we are taking forward, and I would need and I would urge, request support from all of you guys here, that we are on a mission of number one, creating or nurturing the culture of sports amongst kids and creating Olympians or Olympic champions for India. So the kind of medals today India receives, so 140 crore of population, and the medals that we get are just 6. In fact, the Paralympic guys are far more better than our the better ones. So here is something that I would really urge, that look at sports from a career perspective. Number two is we are here to create awareness about the various career opportunities in the field of sports. So let me tell you that we are guiding, we are counseling students about going in, taking in sports as a profession, not just playing or coaching, but taking sports as a profession. So today there are more than 40 plus career options only in the field of sports. So just to name a few, sports dentistry is a specialization. Sports physio, you may know, commentary, umpiring, referee, statistician, scoring, video analyst, sports curator, ground curator is a huge opportunity in India as well as in abroad. There are a lot of opportunities likewise. So I would really urge the parents that your kids are young. What we are aiming at is 2036 Olympics. And this is the right age. So 12 years down the line, we need a manpower of 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs to host such a huge kind of an event in India. So 2030 is Commonwealth and 2036 is Olympics that's going to happen. So parents, do think of sports. Sports is the next future, and definitely have a wonderful evening with your kids, having the final rounds today. So thank you so much, and do keep encouraging your kids for sports. So along with academics, because I have been able to, with my encouragement of my parents, I've been glad and proud that I've been able to manage my sports and academic careers simultaneously. So education is a must, but don't leave sports just because you want to have achieved something in the field of academics. So sports is the biggest stress buster. Thank you so much. All the best. God bless.
Our junior KG and senior KG children as they present the energetic and motivating taekwondo drill.
where Ramratna works strongly and collaboratively with parents. Along with inculcating the core values, we believe in teaching our children the basic skills of defense. Discipline, endurance, and resilience, when taught at the younger stage, creates a confident human. Body-mind coordination helps in developing gross and fine motor skills of the toddlers, which further helps them in their writing skills. Through guided martial art movements, children learn self-control, focus, and respect, empowering them to stay strong, calm, and disciplined. on cheering the kids.
What a wonderful display by RRP students. Parents, keep cheering, keep applauding for RRP students.
Because the field is about to be lit up with talent, energy, and unstoppable enthusiasm.
Please welcome our unstoppable, spirited RLIS pre-primary display performers. Parents, give a round of applause for our Ramrit International pre-primary display performers.
Keep cheering for them, parents. Please give a big round of applause.
पिघला दे जंजीरें बनाऊंगी शमशीरें कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह जितना जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझमें हौसला मेरी जुनू की राही अंबर पड़ा है मांगी करता है तू जो फैसला
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो
3, 2, 1, go!
तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो
कर हर मैदान फतेह बस खुद की सुनता बातें ना गाने से नाते मुर्राते दिल को कहता ये बातें
सपने में ये जो बॉक्सिंग का शब्द है ना, ये निकाल के छोड़ूंगा।
कभी किसी को इतना भी मत डराओ कि डर ही खत्म हो जाए।
Come on, little champions. Oh, that was a wonderful performance by
मैं छोड़ दूंगा वो खींच
Oh wow, look at those bright colors moving even brighter. Parents, let's cheer loud. Your applause is a pure magic for our little kids.
मुस्कान मैम अरे और एक भाग गया वो भी भाग गया अरे जाओ
Go! Some tiny racers are waving, some are laughing, and some are discovering the joy of racing. Every moment is precious. Come on, color buddies, you are doing amazing. Parents, please keep cheering them.
वो उसके बकेट में लगी नहीं दूसरे के बकेट में ये बिल तेरा था अरे जल्दी क्रॉस किसी को गार्ड के ऊपर से
Out they go, all the colorful buddies.
और अपने जो रोलर आएगा नहीं ना आएगा वो टूट जाएगा वो टूटने तो चढ़ेगा नहीं ना इतना चढ़े अरे वहाँ से आना पड़ेगा अपने गेट से उल्टा अपने गेट से ड्राइविंग ये चढ़ जाएगा चढ़े रोलर कहाँ चढ़ जाता है मगर इतना क्या स्लो उसको पीछे ना ब्लॉक करके लगा के नहीं तो ऐसा ना हो खट्टा मीठा ऐसे घर पे कुछ अरे क्रॉस कर
Children are doing their best. Every fall is making them step forward to their winning. And off they go. Our little color buddies are ready to match their colors and shape, which help them in their coordination. Come on, little stars, you're doing great. Parents, let's cheer. Come on, clap, clap, clap. A big round of applause for all our mini matchers. Everyone's at the winner. Attention everyone. Now it's hop, hop, get up. Look at the happy hoppers bouncing with joy. Very good. Come on, run, 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 run.
इनके पीछे लिखो हीर
Very good, come on. Remove your side.
very good Shibai come here
Now,
Yes, Luke. Thank you. Yes. Wait. Yes, Luke.
For the fun race, Color Buddies, Nursery.
Cheer louder, parents. Your applause is the superpower. Bravo, boys. And here we have got the finishers.
Thank you.
Fun race, second group girls.
Out cheers to boost their turbo power.
Yes.
Adya, Sunandana, Diya, Arika, and he.
Yes. थोड़ा है. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
Kanvi Maheshwari. On the second position we have Athiya Kadam, and on the third position we have Khanak Gunwani.
Here we have on the track Sujan, Avya. Come on, parents, give her big applause. Children, parents, keep clapping. Wow,
position. Dia Agarwal,
Lovely pace, girls, lovely
Deep
pace.
Porwal on
Keep
the third
going.
position. Kiara Sharma on the first position.
Parents,
Dia
let's go.
Agarwal on the
Parents
second
are
position.
walking it. Please cheer up for them.
Dean Porwal on the third position.
Parents, it's a kind request. Please do not leave the ground.
Okay, superb job, girls. Come on.
As we have the family relay race conducted for all of you. So it's
And here they go, Eco Avengers starting off with a fantastic energy.
Anand,
Keep it up,
second
girls.
position Rajvi, and the third position Parv.
Look at that confidence. They are already giving us a great job. Really, very well. Go, keep going, girls.
And the last group of obstacle race Turbo Tribes. On the first position we have Sashwat. Second position.
Look at that. That is wonderful, girls. Come on, keep going.
Faster, come on, lovely.
One at a time. That's okay. That's okay. Full focus, girls. Come on.
Here on the first group of obstacle race
A winner.
Turbo Tribe winners are Sashwat on the first position.
Come on, keep going. Look at that energy. They have begun with a burst. Come on, girls, keep going.
before we give the medals to RRIS, here the bronze medals given to RRP students.
Look at their determination. It's wonderful. Come on, girls, keep going. Come on, come on. Great balancing. Come on, keep going. Every Eco Avenger in this group is giving their 100%. Such bright faces and powerful spirit. Wonderful, girls. Keep going. Beautiful coordination and focus. Come on, girls.
And with that bronze medal given to RRP students, we have
Wonderful boys. Come on, keep going.
congratulations little girls. And now we have the second heat of boys from Junior KG RRIS, the fun game Happy Hoppers. On the third position we have Ragbir. On the second position we have Madhav. And on the first position we have Kiansh. Everyone give a round of applause for our Bravo boys.
What a showcase of focus and strength. Come on, boys. You are doing really very well. Keep going.
Congratulations boys.
Just look at them. Little legs, big determination. Come on, keep going. Okay, we have on the
Congratulations.
Kian, Agastya, Salim, Kian and Kiansh. Clap for them, parents.
And now the last, the Junior KG Huddle Race, Turbo Tribe, the second heat from boys. We have the third position going to Kiansh, the second position to Madhav, and the first position to Ragbir. Everyone give a round of applause for our brave boys.
Come on, boys, keep going. Great focus, great balance. Come on, you can do it. One ball at a time, one ball at a time. Come on, boys. Show your energy. Almost there, Turbo Tribe. Keep going. Come on.
And with that, I again request to all the parents to do not leave the ground before the event, as we have conducted the family race, relay race for you all.
Wow, this group is full of spark and confidence. Such wonderful speed and joy on their faces. Come on, boys, keep going. focus, boys. One ball at a time. You can do it. Keep going. Yes, Eco Avengers, you're almost there. Come on, keep it up.
I again request to all the parents to please do not leave the ground before the event. We have an amazing family relay race conducted for all of you. So please do not leave it.
Energy. Group 3, you're ending the event on a high note. Fantastic spirit and brilliant effort. Well done, boys. Jinansh and Divyansh. Parents, please keep cheering for them because your class can make their motivation on the highest speed. Very good, well done, boys. I hope your energy is bringing back on the tracks. Group 2 boys for senior KG RIP for Eco Avengers. These Eco Avengers are racing ahead to protect the planet and reach the finish line. On the track we have the Eco Avengers, Speed, Style and Green Power. They may be small in size but big in energy. Turbo mode is on. I want all the parents to clap and keep motivating them. And here we have the first winner. Very good, well done, boys. Please clap for them. Well done. Keep moving, keep rolling, and I want all the parents to keep clapping for them. Go boys, you're doing very great. Keep running. Very good girls, your energy is creating a perfect impression here on the track. That was a power pack race from all our Eco Avengers. Come on girls, get ready. Parents, give them a
all the parents should not leave the ground. If you are registered for the family relay race, we have a
Come on, boys, rock the track. Look at that enthusiasm, smile, speed, and so much spirit. Wonderful, boys, you all have done a great job. And the excitement continues here as well. Dynamic Ninja takes over the track. Look at that enthusiasm. This group is full of confidence and determination. What a joy to watch. Come on, Dynamic Ninjas, keep going. Wonderful speed and confidence. Great job, boys. Fantastic effort. Stay focused, boys. You can do it. What an energetic performance on the track. Come on, boys. Great job. Keep going, Ninjas. Excellent participation, boys. Keep going. Beautiful spirit and enthusiasm today. You all rock the track. Vansh, Adrit, Divyansh, Jinansh, and Advik. Parents, let's your cheers be loud and strong because every clap gives our ninjas the power to roll higher.
Hari. Second position, we have Savi Rajput, and first position, Hiba Jain.
Jaideep, Viraj, Shivansh, and Pradyuman.
Hiba, second Reyanshi, third Pragya.
Look at the focus and balance. Two little warriors are running on the track, and we got the winner.
We have the third position, Kiansh Mehta, the second position, Kian Jain, and the first position,
They are
Ellen
off. Look
D'Souza.
at these speedy little ninjas as they off.
And now from the third heat of Fun Game Eco Avengers RRIS, we have the third winner Pranav Purohit, the second winner Hian Desai, and the first Vihan.
And here our last race begins. All the girls are running so quickly. Come on, girls, you can do it.
And now it's time to
And here we found our last winner for the race.
for the first heat.
Yay!
And the winners from the first champions. With pride in our hearts and smiles all around, we celebrate the joy of trying, hopping, running, and winning together. Well done,
Hands थोड़ा down, hands down. Hands down. Yes, look out.
Hands together for our pre-primary stars who made this sports day a beautiful memory to cherish forever.
Yes. Thank you.
Family relay race. So those who have registered, you have to participate for this race. So we kindly request you to not leave the ground.
Yes.
And also we have the bronze.
Sports day.
Champions! Great job, wonderful job, girls.
फोन भी होता लगे
Okay.
फोटो काढून दाखवून दे असं असं भेटते आणि तुझ्या हिशोबाने जर ॲडजस्ट काय पाहिजे तर सांग तुला असं केलं तर
And we have a final position. We have
तिला
Leon.
आहे काम सांगितलं मला दत्ताने दत्ताने सांगितलं
खाली कर, खाली कर.
Thank you. Yes, Mikyo.
And for
Thank you.
and for slot
Yes.
for the third set.
Yes,
of
look here, look here.
obstacle race, we
Ready,
have on the third
Beta.
position Kiansh Toshnewal. We have on the third position we have Janvi. On the second position we have Kiara, and on first position we have Anaga. The Fun Eco race. On the third position we have Advait Dubey. On second position we have Divyansh Soni, and on first position we have Jaydeep.
Yes, Mikyo. Thank you.
For the fun race girls, on the first position we have Anaga, on the second position we have Kiara, and on the third position we have Janvi.
Of both RRIS and RRP, and now we have the bronze medal remaining for RRP Senior KG.
नीचे कर बेटा नीचे हाँ
Everyone for coming.
Please come forward and express their gratitude.
I know I'm addressing you at the wrong time. But congratulations, a big thanks to all of you for being part of this wonderful event. And yes, the little toddlers, actually this event was wonderful, looking at their skills. And I'm really, really pleased to see you all in such big numbers. So keep coming, keep blessing our children. And of course, as our chief guest said during her address, there is a lot that needs to be done, particularly towards the immunity of the children, their strength, stamina, and overall, basically, like we need to make them strong. We do not need to make them delicate darlings, as I was discussing with her. Let them fall down. चोट लगने दो, खून आने दो, कोई बात नहीं. सर पे लगी, पैर में लगी, घुटने फूट गए, उंगली फूट गई, it's fine, perfectly fine. हम सब भी ऐसे ही बड़े हुए हैं, right? तो कहीं पर भी टेंशन नहीं लेने का. आज स्कूल में बच्चा गिर गया, खून आ गया, आपने क्या किया, आप क्या कर रहे थे, आपके टीचर क्या कर रहे थे. It's perfectly fine. ठीक है, बच्चे गिरते घूमते बड़े होंगे, बट उनकी इम्यूनिटी, स्ट्रेंथ बिल्डिंग और स्टैमिना पे हमें जोर देना होगा. तो ये हम सब की, because as she said, she is looking at 2030 and maybe 2036 for the Olympics. So what I would say is that yes, ये वो पीढ़ी है जो शायद जिसको हम फोकस करके वहाँ ले जा सकते हैं. तो yes, there is a lot that can be done in sports. तो ये अभी से अगर हम इन बच्चों के स्ट्रेंथ पे और इस पे काम करेंगे, तो that will really be greatly helpful. तो once again, big thank you to you all. Please start thinking in that direction. That yes, there is a career possibility in sports as well. It's not just that we look at only the traditional career paths, but there are a lot of new careers available. Particularly in sports, there is a lot that need to be done. So look at that, and बच्चों को ज़्यादा physical activities में चाहे अपने वहाँ, और as you all know, turf पे अगर हम भेजते हैं तो वो it is all artificial grass, right? ना मट्टी होती है, ना बच्चे वैसे गंदे होते हैं, राइट. तो बेसिकली जहाँ ग्राउंड्स पॉसिबल है वहाँ कोशिश करें, ले जाएं, साथ में जाएं. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू से. बट रियली ऑनेस्टली आई एम रियली ओवरवेल्म्ड विद योर प्रेजेंस टुडे, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. thank you so much for being the part of RRB and RRIS. A big thank you to all the staff members, ancillary staff, particularly my entire admin team, RRB and RRIS, both the teachers, everyone put in their heart into organizing this particular event. So thank you to my team as well. All of you, very well done. Can I ask you to give a big round of applause for my team? Right? So big thank you to you all. Of course, the sports team, under Anand sir's guidance, so they have done. So thank you to you as well, particularly. So all the sports teachers, wherever you are, and if you are listening to me, big thank you from me. Yeah, fine, perfect, no problems. So thank you so much. God bless you all.
Advik Vishwakarma, Kiyansh Toshniwal and Vedant Rathod. I want the kids here.
Part of it, you can. You can move. There's a sports team waiting for you. Sports team, please be ready. You can be a part of it. So we can start. Okay. Come on! Keep running, keep running! Come on, Samuel! Come on there! Keep going, keep going! Oh, wow! And here we have our second race. आपको यहाँ भागना है, पीछे. Okay. Here comes our daddies. Come on, come on, keep coming, keep coming. Run, run, run! Oh, wow! Come on, mamas! Be careful, be careful! Keep going, keep going! Okay, here he comes. Oh, keep coming, come on guys, come on boys, run, 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 run! Run, come on! Oh, keep coming, run, 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 beautiful, beautiful! Run! Oh, we have our winner. Here we come. Our champion daddies. Come on, come on. Come on, Sayo. Come on, Sayindra, come on. Come on. And here we come. Run, 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 run. Be careful. Run, 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 run. And we have our winner. Wow. And here comes. And run, 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 run! Come on, run! Come on, Sana! Run, 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 come on! Come on, run, 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 run! Run! And we have our winner! Is backed by Mishra family. Please. Please.
सर उसको भी
Okay.
Please close. Yes, Lucio. Please close. Yes, Lucio. Okay, ready? Yes, look here. Thank you.
Next, we have Patel family. Nakli mummy. And we have one special prize for Sharma family. Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
All the best. All thank you. सबको thank you. पूरे RRS family. Very very nice family is this. सब एक साथ है, सब happy है, सब एक साथ कर रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा है. And especially thank you to my sports and I'm going to miss them a lot. Very nice. I've learned many things over here, especially this team and my. I consider them as my brothers. They are my separate.
एक्चुअली अभी जो स्कूल में मैं गया हूँ कॉलेज में वहाँ पर मुझे सब है अच्छे बट ऐसा टीम मुझे वहाँ पर भी नहीं मिला और एक अच्छी बात है कि किसी के लाइफ में बहुत होना जरूरी है बट यहाँ पर मेरे सब दोस्त लोग हैं और वहाँ पर मैं अकेला और एक्चुअल में मैं वहाँ अकेला जो स्पोर्ट्स का मेरा जो टीम था ये सपोर्ट था उधर मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं मिला एडमिन स्टाफ हो गए टीचर्स हो गए चलो खाली मुझे काम करना पड़ता है एंड मैं सीरियसली मिस कर रहा हूँ सबको मुझे जाना नहीं था इधर से बट रीजन की वजह से मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा बट अगर मुझे फ्यूचर अगर चांस मिले या दोबारा काम करने का तो मैं सीरियसली मैं छोड़ के वापस
Thank you so much, Kirdan sir.
Spring from the soul. Namaste and a very good evening to our esteemed chief guest, respected members of the school management committee, beloved principal sir, dedicated children, dear parents, and our shining stars, our students. As we come to the close of this vibrant and spirited annual Sports Day meet 2025 and 26, my heart is filled with immense gratitude for every individual who contributed to making today a grand celebration of teamwork, energy, and sportsmanship. On behalf of the entire Ram Ratna School family, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our honorable chief guest, Shri Vaishali Bide Barvi, for gracing us with your presence. Your motivating words and gracious guidance have added true value to our event. We are deeply honored to have had you with us today. A special note of gratitude to our principal sir, Shri Ashish Bhatnagarji, whose dynamic leadership and unwavering commitment to holistic education continue to inspire and guide us. Sir, your dedication and clarity of purpose shape the very foundation of our school's progress. Thank you for your empowering us encouragement throughout today's celebration. Your leadership truly strengthens the spirit of our school committee. Events of this magnitude are made possible only through with outstanding teamwork. I extend my deep appreciation to the team coordinators and event coordinators for their meticulous planning and smooth execution. Thank you.
A big thank you to our teachers, administrative staff, transport department, music and dance departments, sports team, canteen staff, and our hard-working Didis and Bhaiyas. Your dedication, patience, and commitment are the pillars behind today's success. Heartfelt thanks to the comparing team for steering the event with confidence and charm. My sincere appreciation to the Art and Craft Department for the beautiful decor and our IT and sound support system team for managing every technical detail flawlessly. To our loving parents, thank you for your unwavering support, encouragement and presence. Your cheers, energy and positivity add so much joy and motivation to every school event. And finally, a thunderous applause for our students, the true heroes of the day. Your enthusiasm, discipline and sportsmanship have lit up the field. You showcased your talent with pride and truly embodied the spirit of this year's sports day. As we conclude this memorable evening, let us carry with us the lessons of teamwork, resilience and joy that today has gifted us. Thank you once again for joining us and being an integral part of our celebration. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming events with the same warmth and enthusiasm. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
I may now request everyone to be standing for the national song. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you, everyone.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.